In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Google Slides using your Google account settings. This can be particularly helpful if you're working in a multilingual environment or if you'd like to switch to a language more comfortable for you. Let's get started. First, let's head to Google Slides. You can do this by simply typing Google Slides in your web browser's search bar, or you can enter the URL directly if you have it saved or bookmarked. Once you're there, the next thing you'll need to do is sign into your Google account. If you're already signed in, you'll likely see your profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the screen. If not, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you can see all your existing presentations. Now, we need to create a new presentation to change the language settings for a Google Slides document. You have two options. Click on blank presentation to start from scratch, or select a template if you prefer a pre-designed format. Both of these options will open a new presentation where we can adjust the language settings. Now that you've got your presentation open, look towards the top left corner and click on File. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. We are interested in the language setting, so scroll through the drop-down until you find Language. Clicking on it will reveal a list of languages for you to choose from. Here's a tip. The languages are usually listed in alphabetical order. So if you have a specific language in mind, scrolling through the list should be quite straightforward. Click on the language that you would like to use. This action will automatically update the language settings for your presentation. And just like that, you've changed your Google Slides language settings. This should help make your presentation preparation a smoother and more personalized experience. Whether you're preparing slides for an international audience or just need a different script for better understanding, this simple setting adjustment can make a big difference. Remember, these changes don't just apply to the presentation itself, they influence how Google Slides displays interface elements and tooltips in the language you've selected. If you ever need to switch back or try another language, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.